what's in the bag? This is a extended cab first gen rear window seal. You can see this seal is in really bad shape. It's just gonna come right out. There's nothing to it. Super shrunk, so hopefully it's exactly the same as this one. I'm gonna take it out, put it up against it, and we'll give it a shot to put it in. Here's the tricky part. You take this latch off of here because it's got screws, so that's not a big deal. But getting this back part off, this screw right here and this button spins and spins and spins, and so I'm feel like I'm gonna break that if I pull that off. So I don't think I'm going to. So do you take the rivets off? I'll probably just try to work it around out of there, so we'll see how I do. Shout out to Johnny Johnson for this OEM part. By the way, there's that cool bag. Lay this bag out. It's pretty wild. That's what that is. So hopefully I can get it in here. So I got one screw out, and I decided to put this carpet here. Just whatever you would do, you don't want to drop this window. So got one out there. Might be able to get away with leaving that one in and just slide it around that thing, but hopefully I can get that out. It's kind of a bear. But let's see from the inside here. Got the seal out. There's the top one out. Gotta get that screw out. Button spins. And it's got. Put this little spacer in there, but it's got a rubber grommet. There's the button, that. So we'll keep plugging away at it. Hopefully I'll show you here when I get the other one out and the window will be out. So I ended up cutting and drilling these rivets off. Left the top one on because I got the button off, but this bottom one, I'm gonna get a screwdriver and get out before I get yanking on this, but hopefully it just pops right out, so then I can get the window out. So it came out okay. Kind of a little scared on those bottom rivets. I'll punch that in, then I'll just use screws. Got the original top one in there riveted, so obviously be careful handling this glass because you break it, you're not going to find another one very easily. Comparing the seals, look exactly right. Of course, my new one's bigger because like the old one shrinked really bad, so that's definitely it. Get this shot here. There we go. I think I'm gonna put this thing on my wall just because I like it. It's a cool bag. There we go. How about that? Yep. Now you can really see the difference. So I'm gonna clean all that up. And yeah, this thing is goofy, but I like it. So clean up all inside there. Not too bad. Once I pop that new one in there, putting the window in, there's gonna be a lot easier than getting that thing out. Put a couple screws in the bottom and it should work. So I've almost got this thing in. Kind of sits on the inside seam here, and you just gotta shove it in there, and using my plastic tool here. And I'm just prying along the edge and getting to go up on that seam, but as you can see, it went really nice on there. It fits perfectly, so pretty excited about that. That's gonna be great. One less thing on this truck. Man, I mean, it like it was meant to go there. So I'm gonna keep working on this and almost there. So yeah, I don't see how that could fit any better than that. I mean, that thing is just goes right on there. It seals in there. The shape is perfect. It's got these two little notches up here for the exact right spot where that latch goes in. So put the window back on, but there was no silicone or anything in there, and I don't think you need to put any because, man, that thing fits on there snug. So I'm really happy with that. Good seal. So yeah, that fits on the lift there, squishes into there, and then this outer part This is what the window presses against, which our old one still had it, but it's just kind of dead. So nothing like fresh rubber.